Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to share your connection. First, make sure your plan and data allow personal hotspot. Open settings and go to cellular or directly to personal hotspot so you can see the toggle. Tap the hotspot entry to view the Wi-Fi name and password, write them down or memorize them. Once done, keep the phone unlocked nearby. Some devices need you to accept a prompt. This step ensures you won't be blocked by carrier limits or a forgotten password when others try to join. Now turn the personal hotspot toggle on. You'll see options for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB tethering. Pick the method that fits your situation. If using Wi-Fi, have the connecting device select your iPhone's SSID and enter the password shown. For Bluetooth, pair both devices first, then enable internet sharing. For USB, plug in the cable, trust the computer when prompted, and choose the iPhone as the network adapter. Make sure mobile data is active so connected devices actually get internet access. Finish by checking the device list and data usage to avoid surprises. Personal hotspot shows who's connected. If someone can't join, try quick fixes. Toggle the hotspot off and on, toggle cellular data, or restart your iPhone. These resolve most temporary issues. If a device still won't connect, unpair Bluetooth or reconnect the Wi-Fi password. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear corrupted configurations. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.